Hello everyone, welcome to GB Reddy Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to the channel, enable notification so that whenever I will post, you will get immediately notification, you will not miss the videos. Today one more interesting topic. What is the difference between getDomAttribute and DomProperty? Both are used to retrieve the attributes of the elements. What are the attributes of elements means? Suppose if you take any element, it will have a type email, name email, autocomplete, data tested. These are all the different attributes. We will call it as a different attributes of the element. Both are used to get the attributes of the element only. But what is there is a small difference is there, right? That will be very useful if we know, right? We'll see that public void. These two are introduced in Selenium 4. Okay, previously we have a get attribute only. Now we have getDomAttribute, DomProperty. Okay, then just verify DOM test. We'll keep it as verified DOM test, and then we'll quickly create the WebDriver instance. We'll create it, new Chrome driver. Okay, driver dot get off. Okay, we'll launch this website. Okay, fine. Now suppose if we enter C, there is a value attribute. If you observe, this input has a value attribute. If I type anything in the email, it is updated dynamically, right? It is updated dynamically. I am trying to fetch this. I will enter the text and I will try to fetch. We'll see whether both will work as it is or not. Okay, driver dot find element by dot name. It has a name. We'll see what is the name. Email. Okay, email. Then it will retrieve the find element, will retrieve web element. Web element. Okay, now element dot send keys. I will send some text to that element, automation@gmail.com. Okay, now I will try to read system.out.println. Okay, element dot get DOM attribute. First we'll say DOM attribute of value. I am trying to read that value. Okay, here I will mention DOM attribute using DOM attribute. Okay, similarly system.out.println. Okay, DomProperty. Element dot get DomProperty. Same thing. I am getting the value of it. We'll print both these things. Okay, we'll execute and see what both will return. Okay, get DomAttribute and DomProperty. Okay, launcher, browser, URL entered, it is entered text, and I think it's done. I think both are returned whatever value we entered perfectly. Now where is the difference will come? Suppose you think there is some JavaScript is executed, updated to something else, right? Maybe in the background some properties where what it will happen based on some inputs, it will execute some script, it will populate the data. Okay, what I am thinking, it is executed some script and changed this value. It is executed some script, JavaScript, it is changed the value. How to replicate it? We will try to replicate that scenario. Okay, by using JavaScript we will change that value dynamically. Okay, JavaScript executor. Okay, driver dot. Okay, close this. Execute script. Execute script. We'll execute the script for it. Okay, what is the script we need to execute it? Right, what is the script we need to execute it? Okay, we'll execute the script. Arguments of 0 dot value. I am dynamically setting by using JavaScript executor. I am setting here. Previously we have entered automation@gmail. Now I am setting this one. Now try to read again both. Now try to read again. Okay, we'll see now. Now we will get the actual difference. Which one will read dynamic values? Whether it is a getDomProperty or getDomAttribute. Okay, we'll now see. getDomAttribute is reading old one only. So getDomProperty is reading the latest one. That means dynamic values. So whenever you have a requirement to read the dynamic values, so sometimes if you use this one, you will get confusion, right? We don't know about the internal functionality of it. So if we don't know what will happen, we will confuse why it is not returning right latest value. So getDomAttribute always return old one only. Dynamically changing values it will not recognize. getDomProperty will recognize. See, even it will return the current value even if even this has been modified after the page has been loaded. If it is dynamically changes also, it will return the new value. So that is the difference between DOMAttribute and DOMProperty. I think you got the now difference. What is the DOMAttribute, DOMProperty? Right. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Enable notification for more interesting videos like this. Please share to your friends. Yeah. If you have any other questions you want, details, please ping in the comments. I will explain those also. Right. If you have any suggestions or queries, please comment in the comment section. I will reply to that. Thanks for watching.